Hello everyone and welcome to my Story Club show. Dear students, since last 20 to 22 days we are arranging a Story Club show every day, and in our Story Club show I am narrating you a new story every day. Dear friends, today I am going to narrate you a story, and this story is very small story, but I liked this story very much, and the title of this story is I Wanted to Change the World. My dear friends, there was a man. It means he was very young. There was a young man, he may be 18 years old, and at that time his dream was to change the world. And he tried very hard to change the world. But after some days, he came to know that it is not possible for him to change the world, or it is not in his capacity to change the world. He understood that he cannot change the world. Then he decided to change our nation, and he tried very hard to change our nation. He worked very hard to change our nation. He wasted many years in trying to change our nation, but he could not change our nation. Then, after some years, he understood that it is not in our capacity to change the nation. So, we will try to change our state. As we live in Maharashtra, he decided to work hard to change our Maharashtra, and he worked for some years in this work, but he could not change Maharashtra also. And after some years he understood that he is not capable to change Maharashtra. Then he decided to change our region, our regional area, and he worked very hard to change our regional area. As we live in Marathwada, he tried to change Marathwada, but he could not change Marathwada also. Then he decided to change our district, and he worked on this job for some years, but he could not change the district. Then he decided to change our taluka, and he worked for some years in this work, but he could not change taluka also. Then he decided to change his village, and he worked for some years to change his village, but he could not change his village also, because nobody was listening to him. He used to tell good things to people, but nobody was listening to him. And now he had become old man. He had worked for his whole life for changing the world, but he did not get success in that work. He could not change the world, he could not change the nation, he could not change our state, he could not change our district, he could not change our taluka, and he could not change his village also. Then he decided to work on changing his family. He was teaching good things to his family, but he could not change his family also, because his family members also were not listening to him. They had their own way of living life. They had their own style of living their life, and they were not listening to him. Then finally he decided to change himself, but now he had become very old man. And then he worked on changing himself, and he got success in this job. He could change himself. And now he understood, if he had worked on himself when he was very young, at that time, if first of all he had changed himself, then it would have impact on his family, and his family would have changed by looking at him. And when his family would have changed, his village would have looked at his family, and village would have changed. When that village would have become good, it would have impacted on the taluka, and taluka would have changed, and taluka would have made impact on district, then district would have changed, district would have made effect on region, and region would have changed, and region would have made impact on the state, and then state would have changed, and state would have made effect on the nation, and by looking at the state, nation would have changed, and nation would have made effect on the world, and by looking at the nation, world would have changed. But he could not do these things, and he had become old. And finally he understood that we can do nothing, just we can change ourselves. And the moral of the story is that many of us say that our nation is like this, and we should come forward to change our nation. Or we say there are problems in the world, and we should come forward to solve the problems of the world. But my dear friends, this story gives us a lesson that we should change ourselves. If we will change ourselves, it means every person has to change himself. And when everybody will change himself, automatically our family will change, then our village will change, then our district will change, then our state will change, then our nation will change, and then finally the world will change automatically. So now we have to decide to change ourselves. We have to make good person to ourselves, or we have to work hard to improve ourselves. We have to imbibe good things into ourselves, not into others. We have to learn good things. We don't have to teach good things to others. We ourselves have to learn good things. We ourselves have to make good habits. And when everybody himself is changing, automatically the world will change. And dear friends, I liked this story very much, because there are many youths, they say that I am doing social work, I have to change the world. There are many youths who come out of their family and they try to change their village, they try to change their city, they try to change the nation, they try to change the world. But like the man in this story, they also, I think, will get failure in their work, because we cannot change others. We can do only one thing, and that is we can change ourselves. And when we will change ourselves, automatically the nation will change and the world will change. So today we have to decide to make good changes into ourselves. That's the story. If you like this video, dear friends, like it, comment on it, share it, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. That's it. Thanks a lot.